Buffering, the frustrating pause in video streaming, has been a major focus for Verizon. This video explains how Verizon has tackled this issue across its platforms, like Stream TV, Fios TV, and 5G home internet. As of March 2026, significant improvements have been made through infrastructure upgrades, AI, and strategic partnerships, leading to a much smoother viewing experience for users. We'll break down these solutions step by step. A key element in Verizon's buffering fix is the integration of 5G ultra-wideband with edge computing. Edge computing brings content caching closer to the user, drastically reducing latency, the delay in data transfer. Verizon's 5G rollout, enhanced with edge servers, has reduced latency by up to 50% for streaming apps. This means less waiting for videos to load, especially during peak usage times. As of late 2025, Verizon reported that 70% of their 5G home internet subscribers were experiencing seamless playback. Verizon uses artificial intelligence to dynamically adjust video quality based on real-time network conditions. This is called adaptive bitrate streaming. By partnering with streaming services like Netflix and Disney+, Verizon implemented AI algorithms that optimize data delivery. The AI prioritizes sending the most important video frames first, ensuring smooth playback. The goal is to prevent buffering by lowering the video quality slightly when needed, instead of completely pausing the stream. Verizon has completed nationwide Fios gigabit deployments in 85% of its service areas. This upgrade doubles upload speeds to 1 Gbps in many regions. The increased bandwidth virtually eliminates buffering for HD and 4K streaming on wired connections. User-reported buffering issues have decreased dramatically for Fios customers, ensuring a reliable and high-quality streaming experience. Buffering occurs when your device cannot receive video data fast enough to match the playback speed, causing interruptions in streaming. Network congestion arises when too much data competes for bandwidth. Verizon manages this by using quality of service protocols that prioritize video packets, ensuring critical streaming data gets through first. Adaptive streaming breaks video into small segments and dynamically adjusts quality. If bandwidth drops, resolution lowers automatically to prevent buffering, then increases when conditions improve. Many buffering problems originate from the user's end. Verizon's apps include auto-optimization features that clear temporary files, update drivers, and adjust playback settings for better performance. Verizon partners with CDNs like Akamai and Cloudflare to cache popular content on edge servers near users. This edge caching dramatically reduces download times by keeping data closer to the viewer. By combining network prioritization, adaptive technologies, device optimization, and CDN partnerships, Verizon effectively addresses buffering to provide smoother video streaming. The future of buffering fixes is heavily reliant on AI and the development of faster networks like 6G. AI is becoming standard in streaming fixes, predicting usage patterns to prevent bottlenecks. Trends show a 25% annual growth in AI-driven streaming tools industry-wide. Verizon is already testing 6G prototypes for a 2027 launch, promising near-zero latency and virtually no buffering through terahertz frequencies. Furthermore, Verizon is integrating green technologies, like energy-efficient servers, into its infrastructure to align with its sustainability goals. This ensures that streaming is not only faster, but also more environmentally friendly, aligning with Verizon's pledge to achieve carbon neutrality by 2030. Several real-world scenarios demonstrate the effectiveness of Verizon's buffering fixes. During the 2024 Super Bowl, Verizon's network handled a massive number of concurrent streams with minimal buffering. Additionally, a pilot program in rural Indiana, which installed community edge servers, significantly reduced buffering incidents. A joint study with Netflix showed that AI-driven bitrate adjustments cut buffering by over 50% for 4K users. Industry experts and statistics highlight the positive impact of Verizon's efforts to fix buffering issues. Experts like Craig Moffett from Bernstein Research have called Verizon's edge computing strategy a game changer for buffering, potentially outperforming competitors by 2027. Verizon surveys show that 68% of users now experience no buffering on 5G networks, up from just 45% in 2024. Industry reports indicate a substantial reduction in buffering complaints, with Verizon leading at a 60% decrease compared to a 30% industry-wide reduction. These fixes are saving users significant time, with an average of 2 hours per month saved per user, greatly improving their overall streaming experience. FCC Commissioner Brendan Carr has noted that Verizon's fixes exemplify proactive network management in the streaming industry.